Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark, Blue Screw Reviews, back getting another video. Today, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm going back to something I used to do back in the day, some shoe unboxings. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all this business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And once we get to the 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna start doing giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Alright? Alright. Now we got all the business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Alright, today I got a pair of Nike React. I was checking these out, and they have them in a colorway that I haven't seen before, Chicago Bears colorway. So let me let you check them out. See right here, bring it up closer, you can see it's the Nike React Element 55 Bears colorway, size 12. And let me see what the retail 140 greenbacks. Alright, 140 bucks. Alright, let's open up the box and see what we got here. Oh man, these look pretty good. These look pretty good. This is a nice looking colorway. I wasn't sure about it at first, but then I said, let me go and give them a try. This will be a good summertime shoe, comfortable. You see the top, and you can see the sides. Got the Bears logo on the side. Let me see. Oh yeah, on the tongue, it's got the Bears on the tongue. It's real thin tongue too, with the little element, icon right here. It's a nice looking shoe. It's got the swoosh on the back, little tab. See on the bottom, it's got the nice little orange rubber gripping right here on the sole. Got the little Nike swoosh right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to bring it up close where you can see it. Got the little Nike swoosh, and then right here, it has right here, put in the shadow where you can see it. It says Nike React right here. There you go. Man, I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out, and we're gonna do it on the bring up the other angle where I can show it to you up front. All right, hold tight. Okay, we got the like I said, we got the Element 55s. I'm gonna show you again like I did earlier. As you can see, the focus. See the size and everything on there, and the price. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take them out again. Read them again. Size 12. Yes, size 12. React Element 55 Bears colorway. Turn around where you can see it as I open it up. Bam. This is a nice looking shoe. When I first got them, when I first ordered them, I was like, I wasn't too sure, but I was like, yeah, let me go and get these, So I'm from the, Shy's the home team, you know what I'm saying? So I said, well, let me check these bad boys out. As you can see, again, like I showed you earlier, they got the little swoosh on the back, and they got the little Bears logo right here. Also, on the tongue, get the shoestrings out the way. They got the little Bears on the shoestring right there. And it's like I said, on the tongue, it's real thin. It's a real thin, flimsy material. So, like I said, this is a summertime shoe. It's not too much for wintertime, but when you get them, you rock them when you want to rock them because they're yours. Like, see I got the orange shoelaces with the blue, white, and orange stripes on the right here by the laces, the holders for laces, whatever you want to call it, and like I said, got the orange Nike swoosh, blue outer. Like I said, it's been a long time since I reviewed some sneakers, so bear with me. And like on the bottom, you got the blue grips right here on the bottom side of the sole. And you got the orange right here, got the little grips right here. And these are made for comfort, basically made for comfort. So it's like a real thin material, so don't be looking for nothing thick. It's a little thin material, but overall, I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm gonna go ahead and try them out. Oh, look at the inside. Let me show you the inside. You got the logo on the inside as well too. Let me see if you can get the lighting right where you can see it. Trying to get it right where you can see it. I had it a minute ago. You can see the little logo on the inside. You barely can see it, but there you go. Bring it closer, you can see it. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Let's bring the other one out. Just showing one shoe. Bring the other one out. The other one is the same. Move the box out of the way. Get that box out of the way. But there you go. The Nike React. Also, it comes with a pair of navy blue. I didn't even think to look at it and look at that. Navy blue laces, but I think I'm gonna keep these laces on because I like these laces on here. So I'm gonna keep I'm gonna put these blue laces away. You see the blue laces right here, the navy blue laces to match the shoe as well. Like I said, this is the other shoe. Got the same. I would like to have had this on the outside, like maybe right a little bit small, right above the Nike shoes. But it is what it is. It's not a deal breaker. You can see it on both, and it's supposed to reflect. So I'll check that out at some other time. But yeah, turn it around so you can see the back again. Got a little stripe going down the side right here. It's pretty cool. Orange and blue stripe. Nice little stitching right here. So overall, I think these are some pretty decent shoes. And like I say, if you're looking for something for comfort and a lot of walking or whatever, these would be perfect. You know, throw on you some blue shorts, whatever, and a white tee or something. You know what I'm saying? You know, however you want to rock them. When you get them, you rock them the way you want to rock them. You know what I'm saying? But I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. I might try to do another colorway. Just trying to figure out which colorway I want to get. If I want to go and get another team colorway, but I want to get the home team. Right here is the Bears. So that's what I wanted to get. Alright. That's been a quick review of these Nike Reacts Element 55s. And if you like them, leave a comment below. You can find them on you can find them either on Fanatics or you can find them on the Nike Swoosh app. So you know, those are two places. Only two places I see them. I think regular price is like $139, something like that. You know, on Fanatics, and it might have been the same on the Nike app. So they only had like a few left because I went to get some one day, and then they were sold out and went back on the next day. Bam, they had my size. So yeah. So I'll leave a link down below where you can find them at on Fanatics or whatever. And appreciate your time. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you're notified new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I always say, oh yeah, once we get that 2,000 subscribe mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I review on the channel. Alright, today was a little something different. You know what I'm saying? I hadn't did a sneaker review in a while, and I saw these. I said, hey, I wanted to go and do it. But like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is, don't be afraid to create your own style. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. Do you. Create your own style. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to create your own style. That's the message for today. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, and I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.